Hey guys, have you ever came across an old black and white photograph that you wish was in color? Well, today we are going to show you how to restore an old photograph and add color to it using Adobe Photoshop's Neural Filters. So let's get started. First, we need a photograph. For this demo, I'm using an image downloaded from World Wide Web of one of the legendary actor, Dilip Kumar. So we will do the restoration first. See, it is very nicely done. Let's do some scratch reductions. It takes some time. This is really amazing. Let me do some more scratch removal. Perfect blend. It is amazing work. The Photoshop is doing a magic in this image. Now let me do some enhancement, and I will enhance the face also a little bit of more, just to mention. You can play with these sliders according to you. Whatever you want, you can do it. I like the result. I want to save it. This is really great work. It takes a lot of time if you have to do it manually. Thanks to Adobe Neural Filters, they are amazing and unmatchable. Now I am going to try to color this. Again, I will go to the Neural Filters and I need to check this option, Colorize, and see the magic. Voila! It looks amazing, isn't it? So this is how you can do, restore an image which is a little bit, add sketches and it is in black and white, and you can color it. This looks really great. And we can also do some more things in this photograph if you want. Like let me save this image first. I can add some more, like let's make it a portrait. Where do we use Neural Filters, smooth skin option and smart portrait option. See, the results are amazing. There are unimaginable possibilities with Neural Filters. So this is how you use Photoshop's Neural Filters to do the magic. This is all about this video, and there you have it, an old black and white photograph restored and colorized using Adobe Photoshop Neural Filters, and that too with just few simple steps. And by this you can add new life into old memories, right? So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.